थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आप जल्दी से हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। रेड कलर बटन को क्लिक करके आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। और हाँ, अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो सबसे पहले देखना है तो बेल आइकन पे प्रेस करके आप हमारा वीडियो सबसे पहले देख सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो।
Cricket bats. It's a huge industry in Kashmir. These bats are widely known and they reach every corner of the world. Here I am to explore everything that happens inside a bat factory. This is Kashmiri willow, the wood that's used in a Kashmiri bat factory. Here it's being sliced into what they call as pav. The pavs are dried out in the sun for around 6 months. Once the pavs are seasoned, they are put into the process of sizing. After proper sizing, a V shape is carved into the pav for the handle to fit in. Handles are made separately, and this process is quite extensive. They are of two types. Type 1 is made by gluing wooden slices together. Type 2 is made from a single piece of wood. Next up is fitting handle into the pav to give it shape of the bat. After fitting, it's curved on both sides. This adds design to it as well as sheds its overall weight. Planing is done next to cleaning. Once the bat is planed, it's put into the designing process. Once the design is set, it undergoes finishing process. Next up is threading up the handles. comes next. This is what adds shine to the bag. Gripping and branding the bat comes next. The last step is packaging before it shows up in the markets. We've seen the kind of hard work and skill that goes in it. And this is what makes Kashmir one of the finest bag producers in the world.